So in today's class, we're going to be treating types of computer. Today's class, we're going to be treating types of computer based on purpose. And we have GS, that is the general purpose computer, and the special purpose computer. So for general purpose computer, we say that these are types of computer that can accept, process, access, and handle different types of application. So which means that, for example, your modern day TV that can be used to watch videos, and as well used to play games and all that. You can see very well that there are multiple things you can do. You can even use it to charge phone. There are some of the TVs these days that you can even use to make calculations. So it's no longer just for watching of television. It's not doing more than it's supposed to do. So another example is your phone, your mobile phone. Before, there were times when phone was all about making call, but now you have videos, you have a lot of things that it can do. So whenever your computer can do a lot of things, we say it's a general purpose computer. But for the special purpose computer, these are computers designed to be very efficient in doing a particular thing. Example of this is your calculator. Notice that I'm not talking about the phone. You know, now even your phone can do calculator, but I mean, like, for example, your scientific calculator. The purpose of that is just to make calculation. Another example is your printer, the usual printer, not the modern day printer that can do a lot. So all you need to do is to make sure that it has an application that can receive and connect to the computer. So its work is just to print out stuffs. The same thing with your wristwatch. Its purpose is just to check time. The same thing with when you go to spaceships and people operating bombs, missiles. You see that they've developed such engines in such a way that it does a particular thing, which is to check, see, track, and launch out very well to give whatever results that is expected of it. So special purpose computers are computers that cannot accept. Special purpose computers are computers that cannot accept, process, access, or handle different types of applications. So a typical example of this is your wristwatch, your printer. So with that said, I said they cannot accept, access, handle different types of application, which means that they can only they can only work for or using a particular application which is designed for. So example, your printer, your calculator. So example of this one is your mobile, iOS, Android. So there you have it. So in our next class we'll be treating generations of computer. Then from generations of computer we'll be treating the uses. I know we've done generations of computer before now, but I want to throw more light and be more extensive on that. Thank you very much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.